Hello everyone. This is our gulay. We have a sitaw. Do you know this one? Kumakain pa kayo nito everyone. Yan, super yummy nito. We have a lot of gulay here. Yeah. Oh my god, super haba na nila. Yan yung aming kobo. And we have here a kamatis. And we have also chicken here. Pinapalaki namin yung chicken here para madami sila. Wow, we have marang.